Hello students. Just in case you have any questions about how to navigate the course, I want to give you a brief video in which you can see exactly how to turn in assignments and find your work. Okay, when you log into the course, this is the first page that you see. This is the course homepage. Okay, when you scroll down, be sure that you read the announcements. It's important to check these every time you log in. They'll change maybe once a week, but do be aware of what's put here. It's important for you to know. Okay, and basically the way your course works is it's set up in these links. Okay, your first link was Introduction to AP US History, and you clicked here on the links, and then to turn in your assignment, you would click Upload. Okay, you would just navigate by clicking the buttons here. You read the article, and then you participated in the discussion. And most of you have already done that and have got that. Okay, now let's go into your first actual unit. Unit 1, Can the Colonies Survive? This is where your first assignments are. Now, I already have for you a Navigating Your Course page within the first 2 units just to remind you. But basically, I'll just quickly demonstrate it. Okay, the way this works is you've got your lessons here in this link, Lessons, Unit 1, and then your activity section is where the assignments are turned in. Okay, we had to set this up this way due to the way that HTML code was written for this course. So, you click the lessons, okay, and as you were told in the navigation guide, you work through each page of each lesson. So the first page of the lesson is the introduction, and that tells you what the objectives are, what you'll be learning. Then you click on Lesson. That is the actual content that you will need to read. And sometimes it will refer you somewhere else, such as the SAS and School Gateway, which we commonly use in this course. And that gives you material to read. Then Activity tells you what exactly you're going to do with the information that you learned. Sometimes it will be a self-check. Sometimes it will be something to turn in. Okay, so let's move forward to, since 1.1 is a self-check, okay, and you're told exactly here what you're turning in or not turning in. Okay, the next lesson, let's go back here to lessons, 1.2. Okay, and we're just clicking on the menu here to navigate through. You're given an introduction, what your objectives are. Okay, then you click on the lesson for the material. Shows what you need to read, and then you click on each of these links, of course, for the information. Then the activity tells you what the assignment is. Here are detailed instructions as to what you do. Okay, it gives you examples, tells you, okay, you're going to need the information from the SAS and School Gateway that was in the lesson part, okay, that you were supposed to read. And then it gives you the exact assignment, what you are supposed to turn in, your opening paragraph, including the thesis statement for assignment 1.2. Okay, and it says to go to the activity section. That is simply up here on this menu on the left-hand side of the page. Click Activity Section. Okay, and you see each link here for each assignment. Okay, and then you see 1.2, European Colonization, Changes New World. Okay, you're going to click the orange box, and then it says submit your opening paragraph and thesis statement following the instructions in the lesson. Now, what I highly recommend is that you not just type in this box, because if you accidentally hit delete or your computer times out, you could lose what you wrote. I would suggest writing it in a word processing such as Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, and then copying and pasting into the box. But you also can save without submitting if, like, let's say you're in the middle of working on it, you decide you want to change it, you can come back to it, save without submitting, and then when you've revised it, you're ready to turn it in, you click Submit All and Finish, and you're all set. Okay, for one more example, let's go back, look at the lesson for 1.3. Okay, we're told our objectives in the introduction. The lesson gives us all the material to read, and we need to be sure we read the links. Okay, then the activity gives us the details of the assignment. Okay, tells us we're analyzing the mural and submitting a short essay. The detailed instructions are here in this section. When we are ready to turn in our work, going back here to activity section, 1.3, we were told it was an essay. Okay, and then again, as I said before, what I recommend is copying and pasting from a Word processing document that you have saved. And you have the same options here, save without submitting if you think you want to change something, or submit all and finish. And that's how you turn in assignments and find your work in the course.